No, read it. Yes, read that. Got it done. Okay. Are you searching for the perfect book to read for Labor Day? I knew you were. I think I've got you covered. Your search is now over. I have got a book for you called Search of the Moon King's Daughter. And this book is unforgettable. And honestly, I mean, I kid you not, I woke up a couple of days ago thinking about this book and how I had to tell you about it. So this book is a serious backlist and you might have trouble finding it. And I'm sorry about that, but still I have to tell you about it because it's really so good. And it's one of those that is perfect to talk about for Labor Day because a lot of times when we talk about Labor Day, we forget about the children. And I warn you that you're going to have a bit of a challenge finding it. I think I saw 2 copies on thrift books. So if you really want a book that will make you feel like you understand why Labor Day matters, this is your book. It is absolutely one of the most important books to understand the start of the labor movement. Basically, this starts out with just a bang. I mean, if there is an accident, like by page 3, Emmaline is being called to because her mother has had a just tragic accident. Her hand was crushed in the machinery. Owner of the mill is more upset about the fact that the machine was broken than the woman was broken. Did I mention that the father dies of cholera? I might have left that out, but the father dies of cholera. There are 3 things that mean the world to Emmaline, and that is her books and reading and flowers and her little brother Tommy. She's hooked on laudanum. Emmaline's mother sells Tommy into servitude. Yes, you heard that right. Sells the brother, sells her child into servitude. Emmaline goes to London to find that chimney sweep that her mother sold Tommy to. Back then was really not about singing, children and Dick Van Dyke and Mary Poppins. It wasn't that. It was little boys that were sent up a chimney naked and they were prodded up the chimney by a stick, that had nails on it. Those children were lucky to survive 5 months, let alone a year. It was just brutal work. That is the beginning of this book. I mean, it doesn't get more, it's so graphic. There are no choices, there are no options. The only thing Emmaline can do is try to find work for herself and try to ultimately buy her brother back. And that is exactly where the road takes you, to London to find the brother Tommy. Right? That's the whole point of Labor Day. It came out of this fight for fair work and for safe conditions and for the idea that people shouldn't have to destroy themselves in order to survive. And back then, kids like Emmaline, they were the ones that were paying the price. And that's why Emmaline's story still matters. From mills to modern times, stories like this remind us how far we've come and how far we still have left to go. Read it, remember it, respect it. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.